Hello and welcome back to my channel. Keep watching to see how I made this yummylicious ice cream cake. I've taken a vanilla sponge cake as the base and topped it up with lots and lots and lots of yummy chocolate ice cream. Now spread the ice cream as evenly as possible. And top it up with a chocolate sponge cake. You can fill in the sides if you feel you have missed out. Oh, I have missed a spot. There, that should do it. Alright, now you wrap it up tight and let it rest in the freezer for at least 4 hours. Well, I have left mine overnight and there, it's ready. Now, it would be a shame to serve it without a little bit of fun colors. I have applied some whipped cream to the sides and added some colorful sprinkles. And finished the look with some colored icing. Now it's ready to rock and roll. Enjoy!